Hi everyone! Don't be scared, it's just me. I know I might look like some sort of creature that came out of a swamp. So, as a bit of a change of scenery today, I'm just in my bedroom with a very humpy cat in the background. She's very humpy because... oh, pleasure. She's very humpy because I went to York during the week for my Christmas do. So, hence why I look like this. So, what I'm gonna do today, because obviously I'm infused with alcohol and my skin is not feeling very good. So, I received this mask a couple of weeks ago. So, Alia's Skin have sent me this mask. I've never tried pink clay mask before, but I've heard that they're very good. So I thought, what day, if not today, it would be a good day to try it on. Because, oh my god. I mean, my skin's not that problematic, really. It's just very dull. And my problem is underneath my eyes. I always get dark circles under my eyes. So apparently this is supposed to detoxify... detoxify my skin and brighten it. Which is, I'm in dire need of right now. Let's try this out then. Has any of you ever tried a pink clay mask on? Which one do you use? Let me know. I love my masks. And if I've never tried a clay mask before. So it says, thank you, feet up and chill. Oh my god, finally I can chill. You deserve it. Gorgeous. Thank you. It's rather pleasant. You know, I went to Lush once. I bought a couple of masks from Lush. And it gave me a really bad reaction. So don't go there anymore. Okay. So I've used the mask. I didn't use that much actually. Okay, so the ghost of Christmas past is here. My mask is on. I look lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back. So it's been 10 minutes. It's kind of started drying out and it hurts a little bit. I'm just gonna take it off now. Oh, I can see there's pink underneath already. That's weird. Oh. But it's almost as if I didn't go to York a couple of days ago and drank 15 bottles of wine all to myself. My skin feels moistened. I don't know about the dark circles. I guess that's just ingrained into my face now. There's no way to get rid of that. But other than that, it feels quite a bit healthier. But yeah, so this is what it looks like now. I'm going on a date today again. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. It's with a different guy as well to the one I went with before. I'll tell you all about that in another video. But yeah, that guy is no more. But this guy is still here, so we'll see. We'll see. Pasha, do you think the mask made my face look a little bit better? What do you think? Are you still humpy? Are you humpy that I was gone? Oh no. And I'm gonna be gone again. Oh, we're going to a comedy show, by the way, in London. To Backyard Comedy. If anyone's been, it's quite good fun. I've actually performed there once, only once. I did a bit of stand-up, so I'm looking forward to that. I'll let you know how that goes. But for now, I'm just gonna chill and contemplate my existence. So I'll go to York a couple of times a year to see my office colleagues. And last year, because obviously compared to London, York is so much cheaper. So last year my friend came down on a Friday and we stayed extra night. And because it's so much cheaper compared to London, we couldn't believe how cheap it was. We got so pissed. I remember trying to smuggle a picture of cocktail out of Weatherspoons. That was our last stop because we'd already been like in 5 different places before then. And I remember trying to smuggle in my bag a picture of cocktail. And the guy behind the bar, we gave him like a £5 tip when we walked in because we were like, money. Like we gave him 5 a tip. So surely he should have just let me have that picture. That was like, it's only a plastic picture. I paid for the cocktail. But as I walked out, it's in my bag, is jiggling around with all the ice. The man behind the bar goes, hey, you can't do that. You can't take that with you. And I'm like, come on, let's go to my friend. And the barman ran outside and I'm like 30 meters away from the pub. And my friend goes, Anna, come back. Anna, you have to give the picture back. I'm like, come on, let's go. Like, I'm in that sort of mood. Like, you can't catch me. So I had to like obviously I had to come back because otherwise they would have just carried on following me. So I just like ended up, I couldn't drink anymore. Like I was so pissed by that point. I just ended up like pouring the cocktail out and just giving him this fucking picture. It was so embarrassing. But like I was so embarrassed the next day. But now it's like funny. But before I was like, oh my god, this is so awkward. Like he must have thought I was some sort of weird thief stealing stuff, but no, it's not even the end of it. I came home, like we went back to the hotel. I woke up the next day, and because we'd been like all over the place in York, I found in my bag the next day half-pint glass, empty one. Why do I need it? I don't know. Pens. Some sort of leaflets for something in York that I don't need. What else did I nick? It was just like I was like on a spree or something. Everything had to go in my bag. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to more adventures back in York. If anyone's watching me from York, hello, I'm sorry. I'll let you know when I'm going back so you can like lock up so like nothing gets stolen while I'm there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to buy yourself a pink clay mask, if you want to try it, there's a link underneath this video. And there's my card as well. Oh. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.